Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to design a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to build is a multivibrator circuit, so we will start from schematic to a PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project. So we will go to File, New, Project. Then we will change the project name to Multivibrator. Then we will select the folder, then hit create. After that we will create a PCB and schematic files. So right click to the name of the project, then add schematic and PCB. After that we want to save the two files at the same project file. First we will start from schematic circuit. This is the circuit that we want to build. So now we want to get all the components. Now we want to connect all the components according to the circuit. If you notice, there is an error because there is a many components have the same name. Instead of change the name manually, you have to go to Tools, Annotation, Annotation Schematic, Update the change list, then OK. Now we want to accept the changes, validate the changes, then execute. So the error is gone. If you want to know any information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and read the datasheet of that component. Now we want to convert the schematic circuit to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB document, then validate the changes, execute the changes, then close. Now we want to select all the components and drag it to the workspace. Now we want to delete the room and rearrange the component. Now we want to change the board shape. So we will go to View, Board Planing Mode, then we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape, then we will change the board to fit all the components. Now we want to draw the cover tracks between the components. So we will go to route, auto route, then hit all. Now we will select route all, then close. Now we want to add a polygon to the circuit. So we will go to tools, polygon boards, polygon manager, then from new polygon from, we will select board outline. Now we will connect the polygon to the ground, then we will choose the bottom layer and we will remove the dead copper from the circuit. And now we will select bore over all same net object, then apply. Okay. Now we want to view the 3D view of the circuit. So we will go to view, 3D layout mode, and this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for watching.